everyone, welcome back to my channel. So by the title, it's gonna be a kind of quick video. I'll be showing you how I used passion twist here to get this nice distressed locks look on this mannequin, and I'll be doing a bob for this lock. So basically we're doing two things here. We're showing you how the passion twist hair looks. So clearly they probably have similar looks. I don't know if you've seen what I'm saying, but they all look the same when even if you use spring twist hair or passion twist hair. But the thing that I don't like about the passion twist hair is because it's very silky. I don't really trust it when it comes to how long it's gonna last and if it's gonna slip through and all that stuff. So that's why I want to keep it safe, and that's why spring twist hair will always be my number one. So again, I'm showing you how the passion twist hair looks, how it look like, and I'll be showing you how I'm able to get a bob on a longer hair. I'm going to be showing you that on like the natural pace. So I'm not gonna try to make anything fast or anything, because only 3 locks that we're going to be doing today, and 3 different colors. And I'm also doing different colors just because I want you to see how it looks on different colors, because sometimes some colors might have more mess to it and all that stuff. So it's just me being very open to you guys. Though the purple that I'll be using is a different hair entirely. And now I'm looking like maybe I should just dig more and research more and look for hair that I can use that are longer, just so that if you want to get something like butt length or even way longer, you would not have to get so much for the spring twist hair. And also for questions like do you have to add extensions to your hair for you to be able to get this look? No, you don't have to. Clearly my mannequin is bald, so I kind of have to grip something. That's the reason why I am doing this one right now. So this step, you don't have to do this step for your clients, because you can do it with your client natural hair, but I'm just doing this because I need to be able to grip something. That's the reason why I am doing this for my mannequin right now. And another question, do you have to use a crochet hook to crochet the spring twist hair or passion twist hair before you start wrapping? I know you don't have to, but I just crochet it in because to me I think it's safer. And yeah, I think it's safer. When I used to do full locks and goddess locks, I usually don't what's I gonna say? I usually don't crochet, but now I am used to crocheting. So as you can see, I use my crochet hook, and from the ends of wherever your client's hair stops, you crochet it in and then you just twist it, and that's all you do. You twist it, and I know I'm wrapping it right now, but I think twisting is better because you also want your client to be able to take their hair down when they end up cutting their locks. So plus you don't want them to cut their hair, and also you want the takedown to be easy for them. So it's best for you to just braid it or twist your client's hair first and then twist it when you crochet it in. I'll be doing this one right now with you guys. So as you see, I'm taking the ends, I'm first putting my crochet in, and I'm taking the ends of, imagine that to be your client's hair, and then I'm just going to twist it, and that is all I am going to do for my client's hair, and then I wrap. So again, if you want a bob, try to twist it to be like half of the bob, just so that when your clients cut their hair, they're not scared about where their hair stops. So they're like way further away, so they don't have to be scared. But anyways, I'm going to show you an example of what I just said as we go in the video. I'm trying to see if I forgot anything, because I don't want to end this video and then boom, I just start remembering stuff. But I think that is all for now when it comes to passion twist hair. Again, I will always go for spring twist hair as of right now, because that's the only hair that seems to be working for me. And plus, I do my clients' hair, and I would only use what I feel is safe for them. I mean, the passion twist hair is definitely cheaper when it comes to length and all that stuff, but I don't feel safe, so I'm not gonna do it for my clients, because they're not paying me all that money for me to mess up their hair. So I'll keep using what I'm safe with for now. So now I would not be using the crochet hook. As you see, I just kept it on my table, and I am going to start wrapping without a crochet hook. So with this one, I was using 2 strands. I think 2 strands of this hair right now, either 2 strands or 2.5 strands. But either way, if you want it thicker, of course 2 strands. If you want it just medium or regular, 1.5 strand. If you want a small, maybe 1 strand. So it doesn't really matter. It just depends on what size you want. And also I also have a video in the description. That is the video taking you guys to how to take down your locks. So now we're going to start, and I'm going to show you how to use the thumb method, taking out the hair, so to create that nice messy look, distressed look. As you can see, I'm using my thumb, so my nails are not even long, so your nails do not have to be long for you to do this part. And then you wrap, and then you skip that part. If you need help, you can use your fingers just to take it away, but I feel like over time you just get used to it, and then boom, you just start wrapping and doing the same thing for the rest of your lock. And that's how I'm able to get the nice messy look. I'm just gonna keep doing that and doing that, wrap twice and then skip, wrap twice again. And I'm doing that 1 2 and then 1 2 when you skip, because you want to protect your client's hair. So clearly I am doing this color on black hair to show you that your hair color does not have to be the same as your lock color. So your hair can be red and you can do black. As long as you know how to wrap and then cover it, you're going to be fine. You might have some type of mistake, but you can just pull it down and then you'll be good to go, because it's not really that deep. Like, it's really not. So when I mentioned that you want your client's hair to be about the same in the middle of your bob lock, That's what I was talking about. Just when they're taking their hair down, then you're good to go. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to wrapping, and I'm gonna, say something if I need to.